Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Chicken broth is probably the most common broth and is used to make a wide variety of soups such as chicken noodle soups. Is it vegetarian or vegan? Chicken broth is never suitable for vegans and is typically considered non-vegetarian. 3 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Based on the common definition, a pescatarian doesn't eat chicken. So eating chicken, including broth, would make that person not a pescatarian. In other words, if you eat chicken broth in addition to fish and seafood, you're not a pescatarian.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The two are very often used interchangeably, and it's fine if you substitute broth for stock in most recipes, and vice versa. Yet, if you have a choice between the two, use broth when a dish is largely based on the flavor of the liquid, such as in a broth-based soup. 15 June 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Onions, celery, and carrots, mirepoix, are the most common broth vegetables, but garlic, ginger, shallot, fennel, peppers, hot or mild, parsnip, leeks, or green onions are great for stock as well. Shallots have more natural pectins in them, so they can be added to increase the richness of a broth. 19 May 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.